Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Beauty with the Heart. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to color your brows. Coloring your brows is really very fun, so I'm going to show you another way which you can color your brows in fun way. So let's get started. For coloring your brows you'll need a thread and the color pencil. Remember, the color pencil which you use is the same as your brows color. So after taking the thread, you have to just color the thread with the pencil color. After coloring it, I'm going to shape it. Lightly. Color it in between really very lightly. After that, fill it. Brush it up. That you want to color a bit more, you can again pencil it out a bit. And then you can see the difference between these two. After doing that, you have to just outline it. Yeah, you can see just blend it out. I like to blend it with a finger a bit. Yeah, and then after that you can do with your makeup, and I'll just finish with my another eyebrow. So now you all can see how my eyebrows are looking, and I have colored my brows, and I have just used the concealer and I have blended it really very well. So you can see it's really looking really very beautiful, and I just love coloring my brows. It's really very fun, and the hack which I have used, it's even really very fun. So guys, don't forget to follow my channel, like my video, and if you have any suggestions in the next video with a really very interesting vlog. Bye bye.